In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Wix website that is not working or not loading properly, step by step. This issue is very common, especially after making changes to your site, updating settings, or connecting a domain. Whether your Wix site is showing an error, not displaying updates, or appears offline, this quick fix can help resolve the problem in just a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Make sure you're signed in using the Wix account that manages the website you're having issues with. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your sites, settings, and publishing options. Next, from your Wix dashboard, locate the website that is not working properly. On the left-hand menu, or from the site overview, click on Settings. This section controls how your website behaves, including publishing status, domains, and visibility. Many website issues happen because of a publishing or configuration problem inside these settings. After clicking on Settings, look for Website Settings. This option takes you to the main control panel for your site's live status. Once you're inside Website Settings, scroll through the available options until you find the publishing controls. Now, here's the key step that fixes the issue for most users. Click on Unpublish to temporarily take your site offline. Don't worry, this will not delete your website or remove any content. It simply resets the live version of your site. After unpublishing, wait a few seconds and then click Publish again to republish your website. This unpublish and republish process forces Wix to refresh your site configuration and can resolve common problems like the site not loading, changes not showing, or visitors seeing an outdated version of your website. Once the site is published again, open a new browser tab or use an incognito window and visit your website URL to confirm that it's working correctly. If your site is now loading normally, then the issue has been fixed. If you're still experiencing problems, you may also want to check your domain connection, browser cache, or Wix Certus status. But in most cases, this simple republish step solves the problem. And that's it. You've successfully fixed a Wix website that was not working by adjusting the website settings and republishing it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.